Yes, a lot of us are commerce background persons who come and prepare for UPSC. We might not have ever studied polity. For them, especially, it is important to study polity very well from the foundation so that you can do very well in it. So this video is going to talk about Indian Constitution at Work. This is a class 11th NCERT book for polity, which I recommend very highly before you read. Before you read Laxmikant. Laxmikant is a great book. Of course, it is the Bible of polity. But before you read Laxmikant, you have to read this book. Why? Because Laxmikant goes straight into facts, straight into all the relevant facts. It goes directly into very heavy stuff which you need to know. But before you get to know that, if you read this book, it will become much easier to read that Laxmikant book. Okay, so I am going to go through this video. I'm going to go through some of the chapters and the table of contents of Indian Constitution at Work. So watch this video carefully because every minute of this video is going to help you a lot when it comes to polity and making your life easier for studying polity for